we are going to one of our apiaries. Some people call that place Orange, although some people call it Eucalyptus, because the approach, the road is winding in the shape of S, and the apiary is on in blue gum plantation. The blue gum plantation is about 6 acres of land, and with plenty of blue gum. And this apiary, I think, is the largest because it has almost I think 100 beehives. Is one of our biggest apiaries. We have about 3 which are having bees. The one at Ragana, which is having close to 30 apiaries, 30 to 40 apiaries. Then we have the one
30 to 40 colonies.
Yeah, and then the one which is at the chief's place. The chief of the area gave us his vineyard where we are keeping around 30 hives. So in total we have close to 170 hives. But this corner S or Orechudo apiary is the largest. And I enjoy rubbing. Yeah, we have now come to one of our 4 apiaries. We call it corner S because the way the road comes here it's in a shape of S, and this is one of our biggest apiaries, as you can see behind me. And also hanging on the trees here, we have close to 100 hives. This is a 6 acres plot of land, and we planted eucalyptus basically for first of all, when they mature we can harvest them, but at the same time it's acting as shelter for the bees, and also is acting as forage for the bees. Eucalyptus honey, if you know, it's very popular in Australia. The Australia honey is basically eucalyptus honey. It's very sweet, has a nice color, nice smell, very good honey, and it's medicinal. As most of you know, eucalyptus has got some medicinal values. So tonight we are planning to come and bring down the hives on the trees to the bench so that we can put the supers and wait for the honey flow. We are expecting to get some honey flow around 3 weeks from now. We normally harvest in August and then December, and of course at around February and March. So this is one of our hives. This outside there, which is part of our land also, there is a half an acre where we have planted sunflower to also be as for the bees to forage on. We are planning to add more plantation of sunflower because with the number of hives, if there are so many, you need also to have enough forage for the bees so that you can have a lot of honey. If you have so many hives with no adequate forage, you don't get enough honey. So we are planning to even hire or lease land around here to put sunflower to supplement the forage. Thank you.